Number 2 example, geometric means. Insert 2 between 3mn square and 81mn raised to 5. 3mn square blank blank 81mn raised to 5. So given a sub 1, that is 3mn square. Our n is 1, 2, 3, 4. Our a sub 4 is equals to 81mn raised to 5. Solution. Formula is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 r raised to n minus 1. Substitute the value. So we have a, our n is 4, a sub 4 is equals to a sub 1 is 3mn square times r raised to 4 minus 1. Our a sub 4 is 81mn raised to 5 is equal to 3mn square r raised to 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So divide by 3mn square. Divide by 3mn square. So cancel. Then m is cancel. 81 divided by 3 is 27. N raised to 5 divided by n square. So that is n. 5 minus 2 is 3 is equal to r cube. Then cube root. So that is equals to r. Cancel. Kaya r. So the cube root of 27 is 3. And cancel the cube and the cube root. So we have 3n for r, or our common ratio. So we will multiply to get the second term. First term to the common ratio. So 3 times 3 is 9. Copy m. N square times n is n cube, because 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 9 times 3 is 27. M. N cube times n is n raised to 4, because 3 plus 1 is 4. Then 27 times 3 is 81. Copy m. Then n raised to 4 times n is n raised to 5. So therefore, 9mn cube and 27mn raised to 4 are correct.